y hay un pequeño deck que tiene techito por si llueve.
¿Dónde?
En la Regal.
¿La?
Regal
¿Qué es?
Resort.
¿Qué es? Regal Resort. Sí. De una, no conozco.
Ahí y de paso porque dije que todos los días a partir de hoy voy a hacer el slackline.
¿Va a ser?
Slackline.
Oh, let's go, yes, vamos. Sí, let's go. Vamos a hacer esto. Vamos a hacer esto. Es como la línea donde hay que caminar, ¿no? Vamos. De una. Dale, chao Laurita. Te veo ahora. ¿Qué es lo que mamá? Huevas. Hello. How are you? Hello.
Good. How are you?
Good? Great.
Great.
Yes, can you say great?
Great.
Okay. Yes.
Apparently you said we can put the Colombian stuff in our room.
Hmm?
The stuff from the Colombian couple, the Colombian friends.
Yeah.
In our room.
said
In our room.
In our room.
Okay.
Yeah.
keep it safe.
Yeah.
So we need to move that.
Okay.
It's fine, it's only 3 bags. I can do it.
Okay.
I said
Now,
that-
can I do it later?
Yeah, I'll do it. Don't worry, it's fine.
Okay.
Well, oh, you know which ones are theirs.
Yeah, I asked her which bag it was. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's so we do.
Thank you. See you later.
I didn't
Enjoy.
my boat yesterday.
See you later. Una hueva.
Later, I'm going diving this afternoon. We're on this evening, yeah?
Yes.
I'm on the afternoon boat, so I might be a little bit late. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's super chill. No problem. But
See you later.
yeah, easy. I mean, I work at night. You too.
Yeah.
Easy. I mean, if
Yeah.
I'm there, you can be late as much as you want. No problem. See you. Huh?
Very often.
Breakfast, maybe yoga. Maybe I do the. Do you know those lines where you can walk on it?
What? Oh, slackline.
Yeah.
Nice.
How do you call it?
Slackline.
Slat line. Yeah. Maybe this.
You
Yeah.
have a friend with a slackline?
Huh?
You have a friend with a slackline?
No, there is one at the beach. I never tried, so I want to try.
Yeah.
Maybe some snorkel later.
Enjoy your day.
You too. Enjoy. You too. Enjoy your dive. Hello. Hello, brother. Can I have 3 liters?
3 liter?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. 160 baht.
Thank you.
Yes, 60.
Yeah, I have 17.
100 baht.
Soba. Thank you, bro.
That's an 100 baht. Tiền quên kìa. Ồ, chẳng được cả. Ồ.
See you, brother.